I'm sure you will definitely have reason to interact in this window, because in this window, this is, as earlier mentioned, R allows for independent packages. So this is where you have packages that are written by individuals. They did not come with R. So when you downloaded your R, some of these packages will not come with your R. What will come with your R will be the base packages. And you will see, first you will see the library, the base packages, which is system library. So these are the ones that actually come with your R. So they come with your R. So, but all these other ones above, they are independent packages written by individuals, and so quite many, but they are even much more than this. And so you need to visit the CRAN website. So a good way, if you want to visit the CRAN website, if you just go to your window and you R, is it CRAN? R CRAN. So you can Google for this window. I'm sure most of you downloaded this thing from here. So in this window, or in this R project, and this is what we call the comprehensive R archive network, and shortened to be the CRAN, C-R-A-N, CRAN with R. And you can see packages here. You can see packages here. In fact, those packages are what they call contributed packages. They don't come with R, but they are available for us. Currently, CRAN package repository features 18,312 available packages. And so all of these are meant for you. They are meant to perform one task or the other. So you can get more information about packages here. So most packages, virtually all packages are available here. They are all available here. You can see those packages are sorted by date. These are packages sorted by date. This one was published. Today is 28th. Wow. This one was published today, maybe a few minutes ago, and it's called Bent Cable AR. I mean, look at how many that were even published today, So there are those for a cluster of effect cause encounter regression. So many comparing correlation, concord is also just published. You might even be interested in some of this. So almost every day, packages are archived in the CRAN window. And then if you want the table to be sorted by name, maybe alphabetically, if you are looking, these are the alphabetical order of the packages. So usually during your session, you might need more than one package. And for instance, when I was trying to do this plot, I needed this package called ggplot2. So this is the command to install it. And when you install it, you need to now call for it. This is the command you use to call for it. You could also install it, come in here, click that. So you click this icon, install, then it will ask for this. So I can say ggplot. I can say ggplot2. Then it will ask me install. I can check install dependencies. And once I say install, then it will, of course, you need to have internet connection before you can install. But you don't need to have internet connection after you have installed and you now want to call for that package. You don't need internet connection. But in installing it, you need internet connection. So if I say install now, it will take me some time. So I don't want to do that. Once you click, and also I've already installed. So if you, for me, I've installed it, and you can see, let me take you, this is it. This is ggplot2. And what is this package about? Is to create elegant data visualizations using the grammar of graphics. We will do a bit of introduction to this later in this course. So it's just introduction because it's quite deeper. Grammar of graphics is a field of study on its own, quite wide. But when we get there, you learn more about that. So the point I'm making here is that you have the independent packages, contributed packages here, and then down you will see the system library. Those are packages that come that like the R base, packages that come with R. You see them there. So this window shows packages. You can always update the packages to the most recent one by simply clicking or check for updates. Can check for updates. And you will see the name of the package. Some of the names are difficult to pronounce. Abind, AER, and so don't worry yourself, but what matters is the description of that package, what the package is capable of doing. For instance, AER can do apply econometrics with R. I use it to teach econometrics course. Very nice. So if I click it, you'll be able to see what you can do with that. Or most of you will even see data that you can use there. So this is the beauty of R package. And anytime you want to know more about anything here, it will open in the help. It will open in the help. For instance, the way I click this one, you see, it's opening in the help window. And then you can see description about that package. So documentation for package AER version 1.2 to 9. So you get more information. So then you can see the version. Sometimes also you might want to browse the package on the crown. So click this. If you also want to remove the package, maybe think it's consuming space, you can remove a package. Just as you can install, you can also remove. So you can remove some. So this is the windows, the panes, and so on in the app environment. One thing I will want to also say, everything I've talked about, they are also, of course, available in, they are available in your in the manual that we have prepared. So you will see this manual, but I want to make them practical so you can see all these details about each section, the airplane, the viewer pay, the environment, what they can do, what you can do, what their purposes, their functions, and so on and so forth. So one thing I will want us to do before we allow for one or two questions and then we continue is the fact that we can always customize the R window to our own taste, to your taste, and so on. So you can, of course, come to the menu here, and if you want to change the interface, so come to the menu, go to the tools, and select the global option. So here it allows you to change many things. But for now, I'm only interested in the appearance. So you can change the appearance the way you want it. The way you want it. The theme, you can change it. The zoom, you can increase it. For instance, if I want to increase everything here, I can increase. You can see I've increased.
Sorry, we
Hello?
cannot see your screen. Your screen, sir.
Oh,
You're not sharing your screen, sir.
you cannot see my screen.
No, sir, it's not being shared.
Wow. When did that start?
It started when you were trying to introduce us to the customization of the R.
Oh, okay. Thank you for quickly calling my attention to that. I didn't know that I stopped sharing. Apparently, I click on stop sharing. So I'm going to share now. I'm going to share now the entire window. So I'll share. Great. Yes. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, Prof.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much. So I was saying that sometimes you want to customize your environment. Some people like color, some people don't like color, some people, in fact, you can rearrange the windows the way you want it. If you don't want the console here, you can move it to any part and so on. So how do you maneuver, around your window to suit your interest and purposes? So you can come to the tools under the menu, come to tools, and then choose global options. So if you are here, there are many things you can do. Take your time to study some of this. But the most important one for me now is this. I actually change this from, let's say I want to, that this fonts and everything, I want to change as reduce the something. So make it smaller, though you won't like it, but I can apply. So everything has become so small, right? So again, this is something you won't like, but I can increase it again and then apply. This is bigger. So that's about you zooming. The theme, let me even still increase it. I'm sure it will be very small for some people. Let me increase it now to 110 again. I can still increase it more, make it 125, and then people can see better. If you are presenting and you are showing your environment, it might be necessary to do this kind of adjustment so that the screen can be a bit bigger. Then you can increase the font size for this. Presently it's 18. Let me reduce it first. So if I reduce it, you can see it's very small. So the font size has reduced. But let me increase it to 18 or increase it to 24 and apply. So this is very big now. You don't need to use glasses to see this, quite visible. But let me make it 18 since I'm still using glasses. So you have that. So you can change the font size as you wish. You can also choose different editor theme. First of all, I can change the Art Studio theme to be from modern to sky. Let me apply this. So that's that. I can change the something back to modern. Fine. Then there are different themes that you can choose from. The one, I think the one, you have the default one actually. The default one is TextMate. And if you choose that one, so it will change. You can see the color here has changed. But you can also choose another one. Let's say I choose, let me choose, some people usually like this. So you can see the theme has changed completely. Do you like this one?
Not at all, Prof. So this is more like for color blindness.
Okay, so you can make your choice. Let me have something different, so you can come back to this. What of this? Are you happy with this?
It's better, Prof.
Great, thank you very much. So you can change the theme here under the appearance. Another thing